Hello, I'm back with Ocado, bringing you a dessert that just sings of summer. It's my Peach Melba Pavlova. A pavlova starts off with egg whites. I've got 4 large egg whites in there, a pinch of salt. And the first step is just whisking these until satiny peaks form. I'm going to add the sugar. So for the 4 egg whites, that's 250 grams of caster sugar. So what turns this from meringue into pavlova is 2 teaspoons of corn flour and 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar. I'm just going to fold this in now. You don't need to whisk it. Just mound this gorgeous white meringue. And then I suppose it's a bit like bricklaying, only softer. Well, I use a couple of spatulas just to smooth the top. I'm aiming to get a pretty straight side, a bit like the crown of, one of those straw boater hats. Now, I've got the oven heated to 180, and the minute I pop the pav in, I'm going to turn it down to 150 and leave it there for an hour, and it'll be crisp on the outside and marshmallow and tender-bellied within. Although I'm very happy doing the pavlova base and custard in advance, I think it's really important that the raspberry sauce is made at the last minute, and it's a very pure and simple sauce. So a bit of icing sugar and a teeny bit of lemon juice, and really you have just to taste it once it's blended to see whether you want more lemon, more sugar, both, neither. I love it when it's got enough lemon in it really to make it zingy. So my pavlova base is completely cooled, and you can hear it's nice and crispy on the top, and look how it just swells as it cooks. So you just delicately invert the base, and this is all squidgy and soft, and then the cream goes directly on this, and that's what makes the texture so wonderful. So the Peach Melba part of the equation now, some very ripe yellow fleshed peaches. I just put them higgledy-piggledy. I'm after a beautiful mess. Now this beautiful bright raspberry sauce. And now beautiful drizzle of cool runny custard. And you can get the recipe for my Peach Melba Pavlova exclusively on Ocado.com.